No more struggle, lead generation success is yours. In running a business, there are many different things to focus on. You have to manage your inventory, market your products, and run the day-to-day operations. Another important task is generating leads so that you can grow your business. For help in doing so, the following tips and tricks can be quite helpful. Be more active on niche-relevant forums and discussion boards to generate easy leads. If you hang out where consumers ask questions, you can gather trust, brand yourself and be a go-to source for them. Not only will they appreciate your assistance, they will also most likely visit your site for more info or to make purchases. Always seek validation of lead information. Verifying real-time information for a lead is important. If you take the time to make sure that you have a good phone number, zip code and/or email, you can ensure that the lead you have is strong. Not doing so can waste a lot of your time. What events are coming up which fit within your niche? A real estate broker, for example, might be interested in upcoming wedding and bridal shows. Newlyweds often are looking for new homes, so get a table and set up for the show. Read the classified section in the paper to see if anything catches your eye. Look for online marketplaces that cater to your niche. For example, real estate agents can use Realtor.com to find leads. You can even post classified ads to sites like Craigslist or Kijiji. Check out forums as well, as you never know who else might be watching there, but don't spam. Now that you have watched this video, you should have a better idea of what is involved in effective lead generation. Even if you have a lot of experience doing so, some of this information may still have been new to you. Give these techniques a try to help out your business. Student loan.